you're probably not as clean as you think you are. But I'm not here to judge. For the last 8 months, I've tested over 40 different hygiene hacks people swear by online. Most of them did absolutely nothing. So I cut out everything that didn't work and kept only the ones that made a real, visible difference. This simple 6-step blueprint I'm about to walk you through completely changed my hygiene game. And by step 6, you'll understand why people started treating me differently. Not fake different, actually noticing me different. But before that, let's talk about the thing almost nobody gets right. Most of you don't even realize your hair smells because that smell doesn't come from your hair, it comes from your scalp. Oils, dead skin, and product buildup sit on your scalp and just marinate there for days. You might not notice it, but everyone around you does. And no one's going to tell you, hey, your scalp smells like old fries. So yeah, this one is on you to catch. You need to learn to clarify your scalp properly, because even the best products won't work if they're not right for your scalp type. So first, figure out your scalp type. If your hair stays fresh for up to a week without getting greasy, you likely have a dry scalp. In that case, do an oil massage before you shower. This loosens buildup without stripping your natural oils, because oil dissolves oil. I personally use coconut oil, but jojoba or almond oil work too. If your hair gets greasy within 2 days, you probably have an oily scalp. For you, it's better to clarify once a week using an apple cider vinegar rinse. Mix 2 to 4 tablespoons of ACV with a cup of water. Pour it on your scalp at the end of your shower. Let it sit for about 5 minutes before rinsing. Adjust the ratio based on what works for you, but don't overdo it. You're clarifying, not stripping your scalp raw. If your hair rarely feels too oily or too dry, you likely have a normal scalp. A sulfate-free mild shampoo plus a clarifying shampoo once in a while is enough. No matter your scalp type, get a scalp massager to really work product in. Every time I forget to use mine, my scalp just doesn't feel as clean. But if you think your shower routine alone handles this, you've been lied to. If your hair still looks dull and frizzy, even though you're following every hair care tip online, look at your hairbrush. Honestly, when's the last time you actually cleaned it? Removing the trapped hair doesn't count. That brush holds oil, product buildup, and dirt, and you're brushing all of it right back into your hair. Here's how I clean mine. First, I remove the trapped hair and dust with a brush cleaning tool. Then I soak it in warm water, clarifying shampoo, and baking soda. After that, I scrub the base of the bristles. That's where all the gunk actually hides. Doing this keeps your hair from getting greasy as fast. But that's just the baseline. The real transformation comes from the next few steps. This one's going to sound obvious, but did you know that body odor is literally bacteria waste sitting on your skin? Gross, I know. The fix is glycolic acid. It keeps bacteria from thriving there in the first place. I use a cotton pad and apply it to my underarms and feet twice a week. It's been a total game changer, to the point I barely need deodorant anymore. If you're new to glycolic acid, start with a lower concentration, around 4 to 7%. But here's the thing, glycolic acid can't fix bad breath, and that's where things really fall apart if you're talking to someone and all they can think is, please close your mouth. That's not the vibe you want. Bad breath is the fastest way to go from a solid 10 to unforgettable for all the wrong reasons. And yet so many people sleep on fixing it, even though it's so easy. Flossing is non-negotiable. Brushing without flossing is basically washing your hair but skipping your scalp. Technically, you cleaned something, but missed the actual problem. All that gunk between your teeth your brush just can't reach. Here's my exact routine. At night, I floss first, so brushing clears out everything that got loosened. Then I use a tongue scraper to get rid of the white film. That's what actually causes bad breath. You'll be shocked how fresh your breath feels. And in the morning, please let the first thing you do be brushing your teeth. I don't get how people drink water first thing in the morning. That's basically drinking all the bacteria sitting in your mouth overnight. Instead, try oil pulling in the morning. Just swish a tablespoon of good quality cold-pressed coconut oil around your mouth for about 5 minutes. I usually scroll while doing it. Make sure you're using high-quality coconut oil to actually get the antibacterial benefit. And don't spit it in your sink. It can clog the pipes. Spit it in the trash instead. Next up is fixing your actual shower routine. I used to think my shower routine was already solid, but I was skipping key steps, and the consequences were real. My skin was dry, my hair felt lifeless, and I just wasn't glowing the way I wanted to. Here's what I do now, and it took me a while to figure this out. In the shower, first I soak my hair fully, and depending on how it feels that day, I grab either a clarifying or a nourishing shampoo and massage it into my scalp with my scalp massager. Then I apply conditioner and let it sit while I either exfoliate or shave. I never do both the same day. On exfoliation days, I use a Kessa glove, which is what those traditional exfoliating treatments use. On shave days, I use a double-edge safety razor. I've genuinely never gotten razor bumps or strawberry legs since switching. Right after the shower, I immediately apply body butter or lotion while my skin is still damp to lock in the moisture. Then I finish with a body oil to help my perfume last longer. But none of this matters if the smell is coming from inside your body first. Water. Seriously, I cannot stress enough how much drinking water impacts your overall skin and body odor. The more you drink, the less you have to worry about any smell sneaking up on you. But none of the outside routine matters if you skip the next step. A lot of odor issues come from down there, especially on your period. Everything you just did in the shower goes to waste if you get this part wrong. I wouldn't recommend using any fancy scented products down there. Stick to plain water or an unscented pH-balanced wash. Cotton underwear over synthetic materials, especially if you sweat a lot, and drink cranberry juice. Not the sugary kind, get the unsweetened, natural version. It doesn't taste amazing, but it gets the job done. I usually drink it a couple times a week, especially around your period. Now for the final step, the one that ties everything together and genuinely made people start complimenting me constantly. Because not smelling bad is the baseline, but smelling genuinely good is what actually makes people go crazy about you. Layering is my biggest secret to smelling irresistible. It's like wearing your personality in a bottle, and trust me, it's a total game changer. I always start with a good body lotion and oil. Nothing too crazy, just something that keeps my skin soft and smooth. Then I grab my body spray. I'm currently obsessed with mine. After that comes the actual fragrance for my layering routine. I swear by pairing an oud and amber scent. Make sure your lotion, body oil, and perfume are complementary, not clashing, to create your own unique signature scent on a budget. People will assume you're spending a fortune on niche perfume when really you're just good at layering 3 products that already match. None of these steps are complicated. They just require consistency. Save this so you can actually come back to it. Follow for more of my exact hygiene routine and the specific products I use in every single step.